This is not a fun video for me, maybe funny for you, but I done messed up. I got a skid steer buried in the mud. Go ahead and roast me in the comments. I deserve it. I can handle it. Yes, it's a borrowed skid steer, thanks to my brother-in-law. Yeah, go ahead, roast me. And I have forks on, and there is a stump behind me. So basically I can go forward and back a little bit, but I cannot get out of this hole. And I know what I should have done earlier is use the forks to push myself back more, probably, but yeah, that stump made that difficult. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to get out. So what I'm going to do is not originally my idea. I don't get the credit for it, but I'm going to try using a rope and a pulley and using the power of the loader, try to pull myself out of this mess. And I'll put the parts up on the screen that I'm using. The rope I believe is 3/8 and the pulley is 3/8 as well, and they're rated for like 10 to 12,000 pounds, so maybe overkill for what I need, but I'd rather have more strength than what I need. So anyway, let's see if we can get out of here. Good luck. So this is totally not the proper way of doing things. My shackles were too big to fit through the loops, so that's something you want to make sure you get right. But anyway, so I got my snatch block here attached to this rod on the bottom of the skid steer. And then we got this pulley here going around this round piece on the skid steer, so that shouldn't fray it. And then we are attached to a big tree back there, so I'm gonna lift up the forks and hopefully this pulls me out. Working, got a bit more to go, but we're gonna get out of here. Oh yeah, yeah. Easy work! We did it! Now I gotta drive home yet, but at least we're out of that hole. Let's take a look at this hole. So what I also did is I put some branches in here, try to fill this up here, put some big boards I had from the sawmill. That's a big hole, that was stupid. Never again.